we can further classify polymers based on forces of attraction and methods of preparation. Based on forces of attraction, polymers can be classified as fibrous polymers, elastomers, thermoplastic polymers and thermosetting polymers. Fibrous polymers are long fibers. They have strong forces of attraction. For example, nylon is an example of fibrous polymer or fiber. Elastomers, as the name itself suggests, these have elastic properties. If they have elastic properties, that itself means that they have weak forces of attraction and hence they can be twisted and bended and pulled. So, weak forces of attraction are present. The example for this would be any rubber which we use. Buna N is a type of synthetic rubber, so it can be an example here. Thermoplastic polymer. The name means thermo, meaning heat, means that these polymers are the ones which when heated lose their shape and therefore it can be remolded and reused. Therefore, they do not have that much strong forces of attraction. Example, LDPE, low density polythene. The opposite of thermoplastic polymers is thermosetting polymers. This word thermosetting means that once heated, these polymers are set. They cannot be changed, meaning they cannot be remolded or reused. Example, bakelite. We remember bakelite is a cross-linked or a network polymer. It's a very tough polymer with strong forces of attraction. Therefore, it is an example of thermosetting polymer. Once set, it cannot be remolded and reused. Based on methods of preparation, polymers can be classified as addition polymers and condensation polymers. The condition for addition polymers is that addition reaction should have occurred to give this type of polymers. Addition reaction can occur if the monomers contain unsaturation. For example, if we take ethene, then as unsaturation is present, one ethene molecule can catch the other ethene molecule. This pi bond forms the basis to form a bond between different ethene molecules. Similarly, another example is PVC. All addition polymers contain unsaturation. Condensation polymers. As the name indicates, condensation polymers are formed by condensation reactions. Condensation reactions meaning monomers are added together by removing simple molecules like, say for example, water. This reaction occurs when there is functional group present in the monomers. Say for example, adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine condense together to form. Adipic acid contains carboxylic group, hexamethyl methylenamine contains NH2 group, and therefore water is eliminated to give amide C double bond O NH linkage. So, such type of reaction, condensation reaction, gives rise to condensation polymers. Example is nylon 6,6 made up from monomers, adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine. This finishes the classification of polymers.